Hi everyone, Rod Bonham here from the Bora product team. Parking a heavy machine in a tight spot in your workshop is not always easy, right? The PM-3550 omnidirectional mobile base with all swivel wheels lets you do it easily with its all-wheel steering. It's like parallel parking for your table saw, molder, planer, or jointer. Included in the kit are powder-coated steel tube rails, heavy-duty corner brackets, 4 swivel wheels, plus all the necessary hardware you'll need to get started. The easy assembly design allows you to expand or contract the base in 1-inch increments, allowing you to accommodate objects from 20 3/4 inches by 23 3/4 inches up to 28 by 33.5 inches with the standard setup. If you need a little more room, you can buy an additional rail kit, the PM-3036, to extend your rails, or the PM-3014 that allows you to join rails together to give you options for larger or odd-shaped items. If you're pairing the base with your table saw, there's even an extension table support, PM-3245, that integrates with the base so you can move your table saw as one unit. To activate your base, use the metal foot levers that are mounted to the swivel casters to raise and lower your machine. Proven Bora lifting technology does the heavy work for you, letting you lift and support up to 1,500 pounds. That's perfect for large bandsaws, jointers, molders, and table saws, and everything in between. Bora is the leader in workshop mobility. We build features into our entire mobile base lineup that lets you get the most out of your time in the shop. Our bases are trusted by shop enthusiasts all over the world, and the PM-3550 is no exception. We offer category-leading features like steel foot levers, adjustable and expandable rail systems, leveling feet, and quality casters for a smooth ride. Available online and in-store through our dealer network, the PM-3550 is the perfect solution to increase mobility and flexibility in your shop. Go to boratool.com today to find a dealer near you.